Welcome back. Now in this session we will talk about how the microorganisms are harmful for us. Which type of harm do they cause to us? Us means we, including plants, animals, insect and every living organism. Understand? It doesn't mean that microorganism, for example, bacteria is there, so that cannot attack on other microorganism, for example fungus. Microorganisms also themselves attack on the other microorganism. For example, virus also attacks on the bacteria, virus attacks on the fungus, bacteria attack on the fungus as well. Isn't it? So one or the either way, microorganisms are always harmful for us. As far as living organism concerned, we animals and plants are mostly suffered by the disease caused by microorganism, and all those diseases are leading to cause any type of disease are called as pathogen. What do we call to them as pathogen? So in short, what is mean by pathogen? Pathogen means disease causing microbes. Microorganisms are in short also called as microbes. Okay, these pathogens can be any microorganism, like it can be fungus, it can be bacteria, virus, protozoan. All they are causes different type of diseases. Diseases are caused by their infection. By their infection. What is mean by infection? Infection means entry of pathogen into or on. If it is exoparasitic और फंगल डिसीज अगर होते हैं तो स्किन इन्फेक्शन होती है, सो इसलिए मैंने ऑन लिखा. इनटू होस्ट बॉडी. होस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? जिसको डिसीज कॉज होने वाला है वो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम कॉमन कोल्ड, मीन्स आई एम अ होस्ट इन माई बॉडी. द कॉमन कोल्ड वायरस हैज बीन एंटर्ड. So when the infection takes place, that time we fall ill. You know, disease का मतलब क्या होता है? Disease. That infection leads to disease. Dis means comfort. Ease means what? Comfort. Discomfortness. Whenever you are discomfortable, uncomfortable in any sense because of the infection of any pathogen, that is altogether called as disease. Right? Now, this infection is occurred from either pathogen to the host directly or infected person to the healthy person. Now, who is infected person or who is the infected organism? The organism, the person. अभी हम हमारी बात करें तो I will say person. The person in whose body these pathogens have entered or caused disease, all those called as infected person. Right? And suppose you are the healthy one. So disease can spread from the infected person to the healthy person. It is called as communicable disease. Right? Communicable disease. Communicable means what? Communicable means transfer from one person to the another by means of many things. वो कौन से means है? That I will tell you later. But ऐसे कौन से disease है जो communicable है? All those diseases are occur because of the transfer of the pathogen from infected person to the healthy person. All those are communicable. For example, smallpox, chickenpox, flu, influenza, common cold, then malaria, typhoid through the different agent, not always. Then hepatitis, AIDS, corona, Reza, all these are the diseases which are communicable, that are not only transferred from healthy person because of their communication or something like that, but if you are using their accessories by physical contact also it may occur, right? So ये जो सारे डिसीज है कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज, वो स्प्रेड कैसे होते हैं? What are the means of transfer of this infectious pathogen to the healthy person? There are many ways. In the very beginning, सबसे पहला और सबसे important, the disease can spread through the pathogen. In the very beginning, the first and foremost is that our exhalation, yes. When we are doing breathing, that time when we are doing exhalation, that time the germs, the bacteria, the microbes which are there in our body comes out and spread into the atmosphere, right? And in that atmosphere, any person comes and breathe, so along with that inhaled air, that microbes enter into that healthy person's body, start the disease. Second, suppose I am suffering from cold and cough, severe cold and cough, and I am coughing, I am sneezing, and I am not using any protective device like handkerchief or mask, something like that. So through that saliva, through that sputum which has been released out from my cough, from my sneezing, is either remain suspended in the atmosphere and inhaled by the others, or it falls down up to some distance from me, and when we are walking, when we are doing anything in that surrounding, it enters in our body, one or the either way. Clear? Third, when we are in physical contact of the infected person. अभी physical contact बहुत अलग-अलग type के होते हैं. First, when we are sharing the things, suppose आप और आपके दोस्त साथ में बैठे हैं क्लास में एक बेंच पे, avoid this noise, no option for this noise. Okay, what we are talking about, how does this is spread by physical contact? You and your friend, you both are sitting on the bench, right? Your friend is suffering from suppose fungal infection, उसको स्किन को कुछ तो भी हुआ है, fungal infection हुआ है. You are sitting together, you are not aware about that, and you are sharing the things. For example, आपने पेन ले लिया, पेंसिल ले लिया, या आपने उनको दे दिया. So when you are sharing the things with each other, along with that touch, the pathogen also spreads from the infected to the healthy person. Clear? इसके अलावा, suppose we are at home. You and your brother, you are having a common bedroom, you are having a common washroom. So you are sharing your bed, you are sharing your towels, you are sharing your soap, many things you are sharing together. Through that sharing also disease spreads. Clear? Fourth, या next वाला जो भी है, when you are going to the doctor and suppose the doctor has used that syringe for the infected patient, and without sterilization, if the doctor is using that syringe for you as a healthy person, then this infection enters in your body. Nowadays it happens very rarely. Doctors prefer new syringe for new patient, but sometime if it is not available, that time sterilization, उनको हाई टेम्परेचर पे 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे बॉइल्ड करके जो भी माइक्रोब्स है उनको किल किया जाता है, देन ओनली वी कैन रीयूज इट. बट ऐसे नहीं हुआ तो भी डिसीज स्प्रेड होता है, राइट? व्हेन नेक्स्ट वन कैसे स्प्रेड होता है? नेक्स्ट वन, व्हेन देयर आर द फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट, इन शॉर्ट sexual relationship with the infected person by a healthy person, that time also it leads to the infection to the healthy person. We have a good example of this, that is AIDS. Understand? On the contrary, और भी सारी चीजें हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप बार्बर शॉप पे जाते हो और वो एक ही ब्लेड यूज कर रहा है, एंड ही हिमसेल्फ डू नॉट नो दैट वेदर द क्लाइंट जो पहले आया था वो इन्फेक्टेड था कि नहीं है. उसने सिर्फ सिंपली पानी से वॉश किया और फिर से रीयूज किया. इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड्स फंगल इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. फ्रॉम द ब्लड. सपोज आई फील आई एम हेल्दी पर्सन, आई डोंट नो दैट, आई एम नॉट अवेयर कि मुझे कोई इन्फेक्शन हुआ है, वायरल इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल हुआ है, आई एम नॉट अवेयर. टिल दैट टाइम आई हैव डोनेट माई ब्लड टू द ब्लड बैंक, and that blood is being given to any other patient who is very needy, emergency. So through the blood also infection goes to the healthy person. Clear? Injured होना मतलब diseased नहीं होता है. इंजुरी होना, गिरना, एक्सीडेंट होना, फ्रैक्चर होना, these all are not the disease. These are simply accidents, injuries. उसको हम disease नहीं बोलते. Clear? इसके भी अलावा भी when suppose a lady is pregnant and she is suffering from any kind of communicable disease infection, that time that infection pass on to the baby which is growing in her embryo. Clear? बेबी को अगर माँ के पेट में बढ़ते हुए बच्चों को भी माँ से वो इन्फेक्शन जाता है, बिकॉज the baby grows, baby get their nourishment from the blood and the oxygen of the mother's body. So through that infection goes to that developing embryo, right? So all these are the modes of transferring the communicable disease from the infected person to the healthy person. Clear? Now what are the measures? Measures क्या है इसके लिए? देखो जो रीजन होता है ना, कॉज, वही उसका प्रिवेंटिव मेजर होता है. हमें पता है कि हॉट पैन को हाथ लगाने से चटका बैठता है, तो व्हाट इज प्रिवेंटिव मेजर? डू नॉट टच, है कि नहीं? उसी तरह से जो भी कॉजेस है कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज स्प्रेड होने के, उन कॉजेस को अवॉइड करना ही प्रिवेंशन है. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, इनहेलेशन, एक्सहेलेशन. इफ यू आर सफरिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अवॉइड टू गो टू द क्राउडी प्लेस. Avoid to go to the public place. Avoid public transport. जितना पॉसिबल है खुद को थोड़ा सा आइसोलेट रखो जब तक आप रिकवर नहीं हो जाते. बिकॉज इट्स वेरी सिंपल. एवरीवन नोज, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नोज विच आर कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस, विच आर नॉट. सो अगर मुझे पता है मुझे कॉमन कोल्ड हुआ है, तो मुझे जहां पे क्राउड है, भीड़ है, जाना नहीं है. इफ आई हैव टू गो, then I must go with proper precaution. आपको खांसते समय, छींकते समय अपने माउथ को, नोज को कवर करना है अच्छे से. You can use handkerchief, you can use mask, you can use any device if it is available, right? Then, if you are suffering from any such communicable disease, that time whenever you are interacting with the people, keep safe distance. Keep safe distance. Generally क्या होता है? When we used to talk, very microscopic particles of saliva or the sputums which are thrown out of the body. जितना हम बोलते हैं, we cannot detect, we cannot recognize, but it happens. So keep safe distance from others so that they all will get protected from the disease which you are suffering. Then. When you are suffering, that time in the very first case what you have to do, situation जो है, for सबसे पहली situation, you have to go to the doctor for proper treatment. Do not keep relying on the first aid treatment जिसे हम बोलते हैं, household remedies जिसे हम बोलते हैं, home remedies जिसे बोलते हैं, उस पे ज्यादा डिपेंड मत रहो. Hardly one day you can wait. If it is not getting cure, go to the doctor. Then do not share the things with your friends, your family members or whoever you are coming in contact with. कोई भी चीजें शेयर मत करना, चाहे वो खाने की प्लेट हो, स्पून हो, पेन पेंसिल हो, कपड़ा हो, टॉवेल हो, कुछ भी हो. Do not share. Then if you are suffering, then do not donate the blood. If you are suffering, tell to the doctor prior only that I am suffering from communicable disease. Clear? Then generally एडिक्शन, ड्रग एडिक्शन के बारे में आपने सुना है, इवन प्रीवियस ईयर में भी आपने सुना है, आपने पढ़ा है. व्हाट इज मीन बाय ड्रग एडिक्शन? व्हेन द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल इज हैविंग ड्रग्स, दे आर यूजिंग सेम डिवाइसेस, सेम शेयर करते हैं। वो स्मोक कर रहे हो तो भी वो सिगार शेयर करते हैं, वो कुछ और एडिक्टिव ले रहे हो तो वो भी सिरिंज वगैरह शेयर करते हैं। तो ये शेयरिंग भी आपको अवॉइड करनी है ताकि कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज का जो इन्फेक्शन है वो स्प्रेड होना थम जाए। एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, अवॉइड unprotective physical contact, sexual relationship with the infected people. Clear? Understand? All these are the measures through which we can cope up with all type of communicable diseases. There is nothing to do so hard. It's very easy. बहुत ही सिंपल है, आपको बस थोड़ी सी केयर लेनी है। See, nowadays this is the time period of the corona lockdown, and how drastically, how speedily it has been spreading from one person to the another person, one person to the another person. Why? Because of the communication. It is not getting stopped. Ad aati na बार बार, break the chain, break the chain, break the chain. What kind of chain? Transferring the infection from one to another. Break it somewhere. Take precaution. मास्क लगाओ, डिस्टेंस पे रहो, टच मत करो, दूरी बनाए रखो, एवरीथिंग व्हाट दैट इज, दैट हैबिट्स आर कीपिंग यू सेफ फ्रॉम ऑल टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस। ओके, नाउ जैसे हम हैं, हमें डायरेक्टली इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है, वैसे कैरियर्स भी होते हैं। कैरियर्स, यस, कैरियर्स मीन्स जस्ट दे आर कैरिंग द डिजीज टू अस फ्रॉम द सोर्स। दे themselves are safe, उनको कुछ नहीं होता, वो सेफ होते, बट वो डिसीज कैरी करते हैं। ऑल दीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच आर प्ले द रोल ऑफ कैरिंग these pathogens to the infected person, all those called as carriers. And which are these carriers and how does they play their role in causing the disease, that we will see in the next session. Till that time, you go through all these points in detail from your textbook or your reference book and make a note of it. Till that time, think positive, be healthy and be happy always. Thank you.